Guys, Joe in Pattaya. How you all doing? I'm down here at Jomtien beach. Thought we'd go for a ride along the beachfront today. Seeing as the bars are all still closed. Great little seafood restaurants here. There you see the number one. That's Jomtien beach down that way. And up all the way Kolan Island there, and let's go along the beachfront. Today's Friday, 3rd of December. Got good news and bad news. First, the good news. Oh, look at this beach now, that's cool. The good news is Pattaya is getting busier a little bit. Soi Buakhao was quite busy last night, but still no alcohol. No bars. Look at that condos. Don't know if they're ever going to finish that one. Started it and stopped. But look at the beach now. Need to plant a few trees for a bit of shade along here. It's a nice wide beach. Great cafes along here. So the bad news for Pattaya is they're still not allowing the alcohol. They're protesting every day now, the bar owners, whether that'll do anything. COVID cases are still quite low. That block, Reflections, I think that's called. A little bit breezy today in Pattaya. Yeah, Reflection, Jomtien beach. Look at that. Nice big balconies. Another block behind it too. A good quiet spot up here. You're only 15-minute drive from the middle of Pattaya city. Here's where they're developing the beachfront here to put the boards up. That hotel, it's like a boat. Rodina. Something different. Oh, shout out to Steve Marks and his beautiful wife Chanook. Nice to have a visit with you, and thanks for the little prezi. Cheers for that. And thank you to all my subscribers as well. We've nearly hit the 4,000. So cheers to you all. They're still saying bars open January the 16th, maybe, but I'm thinking before Christmas they'll have alcohol in restaurants. It's just getting too busy now not to have that. People are having sneaky drinks here and there. We don't want to get caught out. Look at all those condos. Man. It's a nice quiet spot this end at Jomtien. Some of the prices you see there, 3.46 million baht. It's only 11 AM in the morning. I thought I'd do a early video before the traffic starts up. They're having another music festival this weekend at Naklua Beach. All the Bangkok people come down on the weekend, gets quite busy. Another good news is that Thailand is setting up a committee to discuss the casino situation again. Whether they're going to allow things like that. Look at this Ford Ranger. Look how wide the wheels are on that. Christ. A few big blocks down there in the back. 12 kilometers to Pattaya city. Look at that block, the Cetus beachfront. Man, some of these are huge. There's one further down here, they're building 57 stories. Plus a few others. You see the boards coming soon. Keep planning different stuff. Oh, this is the one here, Golden Bay. They haven't even started yet. It's going to be 69 levels if they ever get onto that. A good day for the beach today. It's not too hot. You get a suntan. Must be pretty cold for Europeans and England guys. It's probably snowing over there. They all come to Pattaya. You can relax. You can still get a drink here and there. 7-Elevens still sell alcohol. Nice little spot there, Bay Beach Resort. Some huge condos. That's view to Lay 8, that one. Not sure of some of the names, all of these. They just keep building them. Waiting for you guys to all come back. Where they launched the boats, bit of a boat ramp there. Oh, look at that place, Davari Jomtien Beach. Nice looking place. Bit small on the balconies. Then again, your balconies, when it's normally too hot in Thailand to sit on your balcony, normally in the aircon. Look at the beach here, looks beautiful, calm water. There's a bit of a breeze today. Condos everywhere. Little spot along here, you can park your car, go for a stroll along the beach. That hotel there, the Now Hotel, strange looking design. Anyway guys, this is part 1 of 2. We'll go a bit further, stay tuned for more. In the meantime, Speed Joe, over and out.